Christmas is coming and I'll show you the best Christmas cocktail you can make this year. Let's start with a Jack Frost, a popular frozen cocktail with a light blue color made every winter. It tastes tropical and refreshing. So you will need a blender, add 1 cup of pineapple, 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of blue curaçao, 1 ounce of cream of coconut, add 1 cup of ice, put the lid on top, blend it. And this is how it should look like. So you will need flakes, corn syrup, coconut flakes, and then we're gonna add rim to the glass with coconut flakes. I'll use a little bit of the corn syrup. I'm gonna add the coconut flakes. After we rim the glass, let's add the Jack Frost inside. And there you have the perfect Jack Frost. The second cocktail that we're going to make today is called Snow Globe Cocktail. This cocktail looks exactly like a snow globe when you make it. And that makes it very fun to make for Christmas. So get a glass, add cranberries inside the glass, and then add some water. You can also add cranberries, orange juice, or whatever you want. So the idea is to freeze the cranberries with the water. Now we need to add rosemary inside the glass, and then we're gonna put this glass for 3 hours in the fridge. After 3 hours, we have the glass ready. I'm gonna show you how it looks like inside. This is how the glass looks like. It's like a Christmas tree inside the glass. Let's add champagne to the glass and wait. Perfect, beautiful. And there we have here the Snow Globe Cocktail. You can batch couple glasses, you can put it in the fridge, and you can surprise your guests with this beautiful way to drink your champagne on Christmas. The third cocktail is Christmas Mojito. The Christmas Mojito is actually a coconut mojito that includes pomegranate and powdered sugar to create a snow effect. So get a lime, cut half of the lime in 4 pieces and put it in a highball glass. Add 2 ounces white rum, add 1 ounce cream of coconut. Muddle very good so the lime juice gets squeezed. Add a couple mint leaves, and then for the mojito, always add crushed ice. Add 3 ounces of club soda, stir very well. And now we're gonna make it Christmas. We're going to add pomegranate, couple cranberries, add mint for garnish, and add some powdered sugar so it looks like snow. Then there you have the perfect Christmas mojito. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what cocktail you want to see next. And if you like my cocktail recipes, I have a book with 246 cocktail recipes. Check the link and get your copy right now, available in ebook and paperback copy.